You don't need thousands to start investing in property. With just £100, you can buy into real estate investment trusts, giving you a foothold in the market without the hassle of being a landlord. It's the perfect way to dip your toe into the world of property investing. Diversify your portfolio by spreading your capital across different assets. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A small, strategic investment now can grow over time, building a solid foundation for your future wealth. Stay disciplined and keep learning. The property market moves in cycles, so be patient and think long-term. With just £100, you've taken the first step on your journey to financial freedom. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.